The diagram shows a trapezium. All the lengths are given in centimetres, and we're told that the area of the trapezium is 119 centimetres squared. Part A says to show that 2x squared minus x minus 120 is equal to 0. So, area of the trapezium. The formula for the area of the trapezium is half A plus B times H, where A and B are the parallel lengths and H is the height or distance between them. So we would have a half 3x minus 4 plus x plus 6 multiplied by the height between them, which is x minus 1. So that's an expression for the area of the trapezium. And I was told that that was equal to 119. Now I want to simplify this equation a little bit. So on the inside of the brackets here, I've got the 3x plus x, which is 4x. And I've also got the minus 4 plus 6, which is 2. Next step. I've got half of the 4x minus 2. So half of the 4x is 2x. Half of the 2 is 1. I'm now going to expand these brackets. So 2x times x is 2x squared. The 2x times the minus 1 is minus 2x. The 1 times the x is x. And the 1 times the minus 1 is minus 1. Collecting up the like terms now, we've got the minus 2x plus the x, which is minus x. And my last step, I'm going to subtract the 119 from both sides, so this equation equals 0. So if I subtract the 119 from both sides, we've then got the minus 1 minus 119, which is minus 120. And hopefully you can see now that this is what we needed to show. So we've done part I of the question. Part II now says to find the value of x. So we're now going to solve this quadratic equation. And I'm going to use the quadratic formula to do it. I'm going to say that my A is 2. My B is minus 1. And my C is the minus 120. So in the formula, I'll have minus B, so minus 1, plus or minus the square root of B squared, minus 4 times A times C. Being really careful with these negatives, putting them in brackets, over 2 times A. On my calculator then I get two solutions for this. I get x is either 8 or minus 7.5. The negative 7.5 doesn't make any sense. You can't have a negative length, so I'm going to ignore that solution, and the correct solution is that x is 8.